Let's pot up some nasturtiums. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and this year down at the allotment I'm growing nasturtiums for the first time ever. I've never grown them in the 22 years that I've had my allotment, and yeah, I thought I'd give them a try this year, as you can obviously eat them as well. They're a slight peppery taste to them, but they add a lot of colour to the garden as well. So I thought we'd give it a try and see about growing some ourselves from seed. I try and grow everything from seed, as obviously it saves money, and you learn about it as well, about growing it from seed and the enjoyment of seeing the seed germinate and grow into something special is awesome as well. So let's have a look at the nasturtiums and let's see about growing them. So these are my nasturtiums that I've got growing. I've got 4 different varieties in total because I thought, why not? Let's give them all a different try and see how they grow and see what we can get from them. And yeah, seeing what they taste like and how well they grow. They're all different colours, so it'll add some great colour to my garden. And as you can see, they're all germinating pretty well, and they're getting too big now for these seed trays. So we're going to take them out, we're going to pot them up, and we're going to grow them on a bit bigger until the chance of frost has passed here in Yorkshire, which is probably about mid-May. And yeah, then we'll plant them out when they can survive the cold weather. So let's get these potted up into pots and let's get these growing. So we've potted all them up into different trays now, and we've got absolutely loads of different varieties. So I'm looking forward to these growing and seeing how well they taste once they're all grown and established. But yeah, we're going to put these in a nice sunny spot, keep them watered and keep them alive until it's time to plant them out in May time, when it's a bit warmer. Well, it's warm today, but obviously we're still getting cold nights, so we can't risk any of them getting killed off. So yeah, let's pop them in a nice safe spot until it's time to plant them out. So make sure you hit the follow button to stay up to date with these nasturtiums and see how well we get on, and all our other videos that we keep posting. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.